Hi, my name is Raquel Wallace, Associate Project Manager for Riverbay Corporation's Construction Department. Today we are going to show you how to properly use the newly installed automatic doors. We're going to start from the outside going in. You're going to locate the very first ADA push button, which is located right outside your exterior door. Once you press this button is going to activate the automatic mode. It will take 5 seconds to open, it will remain open for 5 seconds, and take an additional 5 seconds to close. The total time for that door to open itself up and return into the closed position will be 15 seconds. 15 seconds is the required minimum by ADA law. Now that you are in your vestibule area, you are going to see a fob reader and a second ADA button. In order to enter the building, you are going to present your key fob to the card reader. That reader is going to give you a green light indicating that the reader has read your fob. After it indicated the light, you will now hear a ringing in the door, which indicates that the lock has disengaged. At this point, you may either push the door open, or if you do need additional assistance, you can use that second ADA button located next to the fob reader, and your door will go into the automatic mode. Don't forget, it will take 5 seconds to open, remain open for 5 seconds, and take an additional 5 seconds to close. If you are not physically challenged, we please ask that you refrain from using the button, as the door will stay open for 15 seconds whether you need it or not. We have 2 key fob functions available. One is the standard fob and the second is an ADA fob. Your ADA fob, once it's presented to the fob reader, will automatically open, take 5 seconds to open, stay open for 5 seconds, and take an additional 5 seconds to close. If you need an ADA key fob, there's a reasonable accommodation form available to you in the parking and leasing department. Another added feature that we have added are sensor bars located at the top of the doors. These sensor bars get activated once you're in that ADA automatic mode. Once you pass by the door, there are 2 light indicators. One of them is going to be green, and the second one will turn orange if that door senses somebody passing through while it's trying to close itself shut. If the door senses that someone passed through, the orange indicator light will turn on and the door will retract itself into the open position. Now that you're in your main lobby, to exit the building, you may either simply pull the door open, or there is a third ADA button available for you to the left of the door. Once you press this button, that door will go into that automatic mode and take the full 15-second cycle to open itself up and close itself again. When the door is operating in the automatic mode, the door should not be pushed, pulled, or touched at all. The automatic feature is designed to complete the 15-second cycle, and forcing against the door's operational function will cause damage to the motor. We please ask that if you are using the automatic mode, please refrain from pushing the door shut to force it closed within the 15 seconds. We also ask that you only use your hands to push any of the ADA buttons. Key fobs are issued by the Parking and Leasing Department. If you have any issues with your key fobs, or if you need an ADA fob, or if you have lost your fob, or need any additional fobs for any new family members, please contact the Parking and Leasing Department. Now that we have demonstrated how to properly use the ADA automatic doors, if you notice that any of the doors are not functioning in the way that we've just illustrated, we encourage you to please contact the call center at the phone number displayed and report any of your findings. This way, we can come to your buildings and make any necessary adjustment. On behalf of Riverbay Corporation, we would like to thank you for your time and attention to this matter. Thank you.